Welcome guys! See how to get your oven sparkling clean effortlessly with this simple Christmas baking preparation tip. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more great hints. Regardless of how well we care for our home appliances, oven use often leads to stubborn residues and greasy buildup. Baking can release steam, splatter grease, and leave grime on the racks. But fear not. We're sharing a straightforward and effective method to effortlessly clean your oven and restore its shine without the need for vigorous scrubbing. This easy yet highly efficient technique is perfect for tackling even the most heavily soiled ovens. While not the quickest method, it allows you to achieve remarkable results with minimal effort, as the ingenious process practically does the hardest part of the work for you. How to clean your oven. You'll need baking soda, 10 tablespoons. Vinegar, 100 milliliters. Water. Spray bottle. Sponge. 1. Mix baking soda in a bowl with enough water to create a sticky paste. Use a sponge or soft cloth to apply the paste to the entire surface of the oven walls, ceiling, and bottom. The baking soda will start to brown almost instantly. 2. Close the oven and let it sit for at least 12 to 14 hours. 3. After this time, use a damp cloth, rinsed frequently, to remove as much of the baking soda, along with dissolved grime, as possible. 4. If stubborn residues remain, don't worry. Pour vinegar into a spray bottle and apply it to all surfaces, especially where there are still impurities. Be cautious not to inhale the fumes. 5. Foaming and hissing will occur. This is the vinegar interacting with the remaining baking soda. Now, simply remove the remnants of the paste, vinegar, and impurities, then wipe the oven clean. 6. Allow the oven to run for at least 10 minutes with the doors open for complete drying. That's it. Your oven will be as good as new, ready for your Christmas baking adventures.